Hi guys, here 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 6 minus 4 in bracket. Here 5 plus 8 is 13 times 6 minus 4 in bracket. Here 13 times 6 minus 4 is 2. Here 13 times 2 is 26 is the wrong answer. As per this order of operation, this 26 is the wrong answer. Here we are going to introduce this PEMDAS rule from order of operation. This is a bracket, higher priority. This is the exponent. M stands for multiplication, D stands for division, A stands for addition, S stands for subtraction. Here multiplication divisions are equal priority. Also this addition subtractions are equal priority. For this equal priority, we are going to introduce another rule called left right in the problem. Now we are going to solve this problem in correct way by using this order of operations PEMDAS. Here, as per this order of operations PEMDAS, the bracket is higher priority. So we have to do this bracket before this operation here. 5 plus 2 power 3 times, inside the bracket we have 6 minus 4 is 2. Next priority is exponent. We have exponent here is 2 power 3. So we have to do this 2 power 3 before this operation here. 5 plus 2 power 3 is 8 times 2. Here we have addition and multiplication. Here multiplication is higher priority than this addition. So we have to do this multiplication before this addition here. 5 plus 8 times 2 is 16. Here 5 plus 16 is 20. 1 is the correct answer.